In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the essential closing reports after the completion of this project. So in this project, we started off from entering the chart of accounts and their balances. Same goes for customer, vendors, and inventory. And then we have seen all type of day-to-day transactions. And now the transaction has ended for 31st of January. So we want to extract some important reports, and there are 3 important reports when you want to check any kind of records. That is trial balance first, then comes the profit and loss, and then comes the balance sheet. So to extract each of them, just go to the report section from the left corner, and there you should be able to see all kind of reports. You can search it here, or you can go to any specific report category in order to find that. Most of these financial reports are under the accountant section. As you can see here, trial balance is right here. So first of all, let's extract this, or even if you want to frequently use that, you can mark it as favorite. Just click on this star and it will be added in the favorite section. Just open that by just simply clicking, and I need to set a custom period here. Click on custom, specify the period from 1st of January till 31st of January. Make it 1st here and 31st. Make it 1st here, 31st here. Click done and click on run report. Just remember that this should show 1st of January till 31st of January for the period. And this is how you can extract the trial balance report. It's a simple format. You can customize these columns as well. You can just change the order of that. For example, if you want to see the account code first, then the account, and then debit and credit, you can use that. And as far as the customization of columns are concerned, on the left hand side, we have the available columns that you can add to the report. And on our right is the selected columns that is already the part of a report. So let's say if we want to add the account description, we can just add that. We can add the closing balance and all of this stuff. But that's enough. I'll just click on apply because it is already set to standard. And you can filter the accounts. You can show all the ledgers even if they have 0 balance. You can only show the accounts with transactions. We can only show the accounts without 0 balance. So right now it's only showing the accounts which has some kind of activity, and it's not with the 0 balance. Otherwise it will look something like this. But there are many accounts shown right here, but most of them has 0 balances. So if there is no activity, it shouldn't show here. So simple kind of customizations. After that, if you want to export it as a PDF or Excel, on the top right corner, we have this export option, which supports PDF, XLS, Microsoft Excel latest version 1997 to 2004 compatible, export to Zoho sheet, print or print preferences. Let's say we want to save it as a PDF. So click PDF. Trial balance is the name. I want to protect this file with the password. You can do that as well. So let's keep it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Export. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Export. And it's by default exported in downloads. So what I'll do is I'll attach this trial balance for your reference with the resources section of this video so that you can check and match your balances with it. Next very important report is the income statement or profit and loss account. So just go to the reports again, and let's this time search for profit and loss from here. Profit and loss shows in the business overview. So if you want to access it by category, we need to go in business overview right here. And we have the profit and loss right here that we can mark as favorite. So if you click on that, we can customize the period. Custom period is automatically set to January to July, but I want to specify it from 1st to 31st of January. Click done, run report, and then you should be able to see the updated dates. This is the profit and loss account, simple format, similar kind of customizations, and after that you can export it. I'll export it in PDF and attach with the resources section of this video so you can check that out as well. So let's also see some kind of report. Trial balance has some password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, it's a very simple, straightforward format. And that's how it looks. And if we want to access the profit and loss, it didn't have any password. So it looks like this, very simple format. All right, let's move on to our final report, which is a very important one, and that is balance sheet. We can mark it as favorites. It comes under the business overview, and just click that, set the customized period from 1st of January till 31st, or basically it's as of 31st of January. So it shows the closing date only from the starting, and you can select either cash or accrual method. By the way, guys, you need to check for all of them if it is a cash based or accrual based. Most of the business follows accrual based accounting and accrual based reporting. So we need to make sure of that. So this is how the balance sheet looks. Let me just export that as well. So these are all the essential reports that you need to extract after the completion of any project or after completion of any month or year. Just try this by yourself, and after that, this project is complete and we will start working on more interesting areas in Zoho Books which we haven't explored before.